Good morning, dear students. Day before we have learned the units of concentration regarding solution. Here some problem I have written. 3 problems I have written. Different type of problems related to molarity, mole fraction and normality. One by one we will see. Here first problem is given. 15% H2SO4 present in aqueous solution. What is the molarity and normality of the solution? And density of solution is given 1.10 gram per centimeter cube. Second question, molarity of an aqueous solution of cane sugar is 0.4445 m. What will be the mole fraction of solute? Third problem, 25% ethanol, 25% water and 50% acetic acid present in the solution. What will be the mole fraction of the ethanol? So first of all we will see what is asked in the question. Molarity and normality is asked. So first you will write the formula of this. Molarity M is equal to WB upon MB into 1000 upon volume in milliliter. What is WB? That is the weight of solute. And here given 15%. 15% means 15 gram H2SO4 present. In aqueous solution means remaining is water. Here remaining is water 1000 upon MB means molecular weight of H2SO4 and that will come 98. Into volume how much is given? 100. From where we are getting this 100? Here giving percentage. Percentage means 100. So here molarity we will find. This 98 is coming of H2SO4 mass. Here 2 of hydrogen. Sulfur is 32, oxygen is 16 into 4 and total will be 98. From here we are getting this 98. Now we will see, here if you will solve this one, this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled and this will come 150 upon 98 and you solve it. Second question is molarity. This is molarity. Here you will write WB upon MB into 1000 upon WA. Here is asked WA. Other is same. WA means weight of solvent, weight of water. See here, 15%. Here density is given. So density you know D is equal to mass upon volume. Mass of solution upon volume of solution. Here we have to calculate M. M means mass of solution. D into V we will calculate. What is a D? Density 1.10 into volume is given 100. Why we have taken 100? Here given 100. So here it will come 110 gram. 110 gram. This is the mass of the solution. Mass. So mass is 110 gram. This is the solution. Solvent WA is equal to 110 minus 15. What is 15? Mass of solute. This is mass of solution. So WA we will get. And it will come 95. It will come 95. So here WB here we will put how much? This is 50. MB we will put 98. WA here we will put 95. Now you calculate, this will be the molarity. Third is question here given normality. Here normality means N. N is equal to WB upon equivalent mass. Here is equate. Equate of H2SO4. We know the molecular mass of H2SO4 is 98 and equivalent mass upon 2, because when we calculate the equivalent mass of acid, molecular weight upon basicity. Basicity means number of displaceable HIN present in one molecule of acid, and here is given H2SO4 2 into 100, that is centimeter cube volume we will take. So now it will come normality. You will calculate. So all three, molarity, normality and molality, with the help of density we can calculate. Perhaps you will not have any type of doubt here. Now second question. In second question, what is given? 0.4445 m. Molality is given. In molality question we know number of moles of solute present in 1000 gram of solvent. Here 1000 gram is water. This one 1000 gram. So how many moles of water would be there? 1000 upon 98. This is the number of moles of water. Here if you will divide, you will get 55.5. These are the number of moles of water. Here number of moles of sugar given 0.4445. This one is given. Number of moles of sugar. So moles of sugar you got. Now mole fraction chi sugar. This is the mole fraction of sugar is equal to moles of sugar upon moles of sugar plus moles of water. Everything you are getting here. Moles of sugar are 0.4445 upon moles of sugar and water 0.4445 plus 55.5, this one. Now this will be the mole fraction of sugar. Understood clearly? Now third question. Now in third question, three components are given. So mole fraction is asked. So all three components mole first we will find out. Moles of C2H5OH ethanol is equal to 25 upon 46. What is this 46? This is MB. 46 is MB of PC2H5OH. 25% means we have taken it is 25 gram. Moles of water 25 upon 18. This 18 is the molecular mass of water and 25 gram is given. Total solution we have taken 100 gram. Now moles of acetic acid, this one 50 gram is given WB upon 60. This 60 is the molecular mass of acetic acid. The molecular mass you will get 60. Now moles you will get of ethanol, water and acetic acid. What is asked? Mole fraction of ethanol is asked. This one. So moles of ethanol are 25 upon 46 upon total moles of solution, this plus this plus this. 25 upon 46 plus 25 upon 18 plus 50 upon 60. This is the total moles of solution and this will be the mole fraction of ethanol. Suppose you have to calculate mole fraction of water, what you will write? 25 by 18 upon this. Mole fraction of acetic acid 50 by 60 upon this. These are the moles of solution. So three type of questions we have solved today. With the help of these three type of questions, most of the question in our book, exercise of in our book, solution exercise you will see of ISC. So what questions are given in the ISC? You will solve all the questions related to molarity, molality, normality and mole fraction. If you will get any type of doubt, you just inform me. I will try to solve all the doubt tomorrow in the next classes. Thank you.